Today we're going to talk about basically how does the AI search work, right? This is a lot of the work that I'm doing today. So I thought it was a good place to start. Um, so when you think about AI search, there's really like five components to it. And so the first thing is that when you go and search within AI, that AI needs to understand your question. And so that's about context and structure and its training data and the way it actually searches. And then after that, what it's actually doing is turning your words into meaning. So once it understands the question, what it's going to do is turn that into data. And then it's going to use that data to bump up against its training data and the things it finds in search to be able to then curate those things and develop an answer. And so once it's understood the question and it's turned the words into meaning, and the next thing that it does is it creates a short list or it finds some helpful websites or some pages. And then once it has those, it actually sorts those and it prioritizes them using, some key technical pieces like, are they using schema? Or do they have FAQs? Is it conversational? Is it structured? Is it easy? Is it authoritative? And once it has that sorting, what it does is will actually grab quotes and it will use those to help curate its answer. And once it has the quotes from those pages that it found credible, or citations or sources, you might hear them called, then what it does is actually going to write you an answer. And so it's going to actually create that output. And so there's three things we can do to optimize for that or to make sure or give ourselves a better likelihood to show up there. The first is show proof, right? Real results, FAQs, examples, testimonials, customer reviews. We want to show firsthand experience and show that we really actually are an expert as much as we can. They used to be called authority. Then the next thing is to pick your number one audience question. So think about the questions that your audience is asking, and actually put those into your content, right? Because what it's going to do is as you answer that question, it's going to show expertise. It's going to show firsthand experience. It's going to show authoritativeness, trustworthiness, and credibility, all of those things that we know search is looking for. And the last piece is to have depth. And so more so than ever that we're seeing this shift from kind of being as concise as possible, right? For things that humans want to read. Now we're shifting towards a world where we want to be deep, right? We want our content to be long form with lots of context, right? We want to maintain a conversational tone. We want to make sure it's structured and easy to read, but depth really is that third element that you want to look for when you're looking to be able to rank and search. So hopefully this helps give you guys an idea of how this works. And if you want me to do more videos or there's topics that you guys want to find or that you guys find that you want us to explore, be sure to leave a comment. I'm going to put this on LinkedIn and a few other places, and hopefully we'll have some good conversation. Talk to you guys soon.